this is Peachy and welcome back to Daiso Girl. Today I'm going to be decorating a cute compact mirror with stickers I found all at Daiso. I love to decorate with stickers, so hopefully this video will give you some ideas on how I decorate to help you decorate any special items you'd like to personalize. Let's get started! Today you'll need some decoration tweezers and a box cutter. I'll be decorating a compact mirror, but feel free to decorate anything you like. I like textures when I decorate with stickers, so I bought some flat stickers. Transparent stickers and shiny stickers are a great plus. Puffy stickers are amazing, along with 3D plastic stickers and rhinestones. Now this is my favorite part. Start with your centerpiece. Place a transparent sheet over the item to see how the sticker looks. For letters, I like to start with the middle. Start with flat stickers as your base so you can layer over them after. Ta-da! Here we are! A completely customized compact mirror meant just for me. I hope this video gave you some new ideas on how to use stickers. Everything here can be found at Daiso. I really appreciate you watching today and would love to see decorations of your own, so please tag me in them on my Instagram. I also have a Facebook page, so please like me there as well. If you have any future requests for my videos, please go ahead and leave a comment. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a peachy day, and Daiso Girl out!